Verhoeven, Maarten van Os and Emil Robin, and we are doing our project about renewable energy. Why, you may ask, is because it's one of the hottest topics in this day and age, and of course we are quite interested in it just like everybody else. So it's interesting for us, but also interesting for the ones reading about this. We created 4 questions. That's because we started with 4 people. One of us unfortunately had to leave us early, but because our project is so interesting, we decided to keep the 4th question as well. So, what are these questions? First one about the total avoided use of fossil energy due to wind power. The second one about CO2 emission. The third one about the usage of biomass in stoves. The 4th one is about the most efficient producing energy with the highest prevention of CO2 emission. Well, to answer these questions, we just, like everybody else I assume, followed the project worksheets. We did what we had to do. We created programming and we decided to structure it a bit so you can really dig in the topic you want to know, want to learn about. So we have a lot of questions implemented, a lot of inputs, and we tried to keep all the errors out of it. We hope it's worked out, but we never are sure, of course. We use Matplotlib, of course. They created the graphs, which we will see later. The results may not surprise you as much, even though they are still interesting. Wind power has positively changed. There's a big increase there. It's just wonderful. We all like that, of course. The second one, the CO2 emission, keeps rising, unfortunately. Even though we are generating so much more energy with wind power, CO2 emission keeps rising and we need to change that. Households also keep using more biomass, and that is also not such a good thing. Every year it increases. That needs to change as well. And for the 4th question, wind power is still the most efficient, but solar energy is making great progress. Great, of course. So our conclusion is quite a bit in the trend of we are making great steps, but it's just not enough, as we all know. And now with our program and what others could do as well is check out where we have to improve and where we are shooting short. Then last, I want to show the graphs real quick. The wind power is going better. The CO2 emission keeps rising. The biomass rapidly increasing, and of course the efficiency also growing. Wonderful, of course. So I want to thank you for listening to this pitch. I hope you liked it. I hope you like a program, and I hope